The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dears, welcome back to another interesting session of 8th grade math. If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams and you will always look lovely. That means if you include good and positive thoughts into your mind, it will reflect in your personality and you will always look beautiful as well as attractive. Okay. Today, first we are going to learn some applications of negative numbers. Children, take page number 189, one yellow box is there. For any two numbers, subtracting one from another is equal to the negative of subtracting in reverse. This we already discussed in the previous class. X minus y is equal to minus of y minus x for all numbers x, y. Write this in your notebook and then take page number 190. There also one yellow box is there. That also you have to write in your notebook. For any two numbers, adding the second to the negative of the first is equal to subtracting the first from this second. Minus of x plus y is equal to y minus x for all numbers x, y. This also we have explained in the previous class. Now, let us do the problems. Look at the first question, children. Check whether the equations are identities. Write the patterns got from each on taking x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So, children, in this question, check whether the equations are identities. So, what is the difference between equations and identities? Do you remember that you have already learned in the second chapter equation, what are equations, right? And in the fourth chapter, identities. Do you remember what is the difference between equation and identity? Let us see. An equation is an algebraic statement that is true for only one particular value. Example, x plus 5 is equal to 7. So, what is the value of x here? Dash plus 5 is equal to 7. You know that x is equal to 2, right? 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Here, only one value satisfies this equation, right? That is, if it is 3, will it be correct? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Will it be correct? No. Only 2 is correct here, right? That means it is true for only one particular value. This is only true for x is equal to 2. Then what about identity? An algebraic identity is true for all values of the variables. You have already learned the chapter identities, right? Which are the three main identities you learned in that chapter? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and then a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, right? So, here just check it, a plus b whole square. In your textbook it is x plus y whole square, right? So, x plus y whole square is equal to, suppose x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So, 1 plus 2 whole square. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 3 square is equal to 9. Right? Then how can you write this in identity? A plus b whole square or x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, right, is equal to, what is x square here? X square is equal to 1 square plus 2 into x 1 y is equal to 2 plus y square, that is 2 square is equal to 1 square means 1 plus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 2 square is equal to 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. See, both the answers are 9. If you take any other number, you will get the same answer. That is, if it is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, this will become 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 square. 5 square is equal to 25. So, substitute those values in this identity. So, you will get the same answer 25. Okay. So, this is called identity. It is true for all values of the variables, but in the case of an equation, it is true for only one particular value. Children, these definitions are not there in your textbooks, so please note it down. Children, let us do the first sub question, that is minus x plus x plus 1 is equal to 1. The question is, this equation is an identity or not? On taking, what are the values of x? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. If x is equal to 1, substitute the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation. So, minus of x means minus 1 plus x plus 1. Instead of x, we have to write 1 bracket 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, what is 2 minus 1, children? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Look at this answer, 1. So, this is an identity. Then, if x is equal to 2, substitute the value of x equal to 2 here, minus 2 plus x plus 1 means 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Again 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. See, and then x is equal to 3, 4, 5 also there. Those you have to find out. Okay. You have to do here x equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5. Okay. Then x is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 also we have to check. If x is equal to minus 1, substitute here minus of, already one minus is there, then x is equal to minus 1 plus bracket minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus of minus 1. If there is two negatives together, that will be positive, right? So, positive 1 plus, then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then, if x is equal to minus 2, minus of minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus of minus 2 means plus 2 plus minus 2 plus 1, that is 1 minus 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to what? 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So, if there are two different signs, if they are having two different signs, you should subtract and get the biggest number sign. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Is this clear, children? Then x is equal to minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 also there. Those 3 you have to do. Here also 3, 4, 5. Here also minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 you have to do. Is this clear, children? Everywhere you will get the answer 1 only. Okay. In this second and third questions are there. Do those two questions as homework. And then children, take page number 191, second question. Taking different numbers, positive, negative and 0 as x, y, z and compute x plus y plus z in bracket and x plus y within brackets plus z. In your books, printing mistake is there. It is not 3, make it as z. Check whether the equation x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z holds for all these numbers. This is very easy, just take any number. Suppose if you take x equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3, then x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. So, substitute the value 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 3, that is 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Okay. Like this you have to try with other positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Okay. So, this also do it as homework. Understood? Then the next topic is new multiplication. Take page number 192, children. One yellow box is there. The product of a positive number and the negative of a positive number means the negative of the product of these positive numbers. That means for any two positive numbers x, y, minus x into y is equal to, that means minus x into y is equal to x into minus y is equal to minus xy. This is nothing, just check minus 3. Suppose if x is equal to 3, minus 3 into 2, y is equal to 2 is equal to x. That means 3 into minus y means minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into 2 what? Minus 6. 3 into minus 2 what? Minus 6. That means is equal to minus of x into y. What is x? 3 is x and y is 2. Minus of 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6. See, nothing, minus of x into y is equal to x into minus y is equal to minus of xy. That is it. Is this clear, children? And then children take page number 194. There also one yellow box is there. The product of the negatives of two positive numbers means the product of these positive numbers. For any two positive numbers x, y, minus x into minus y is equal to x, y. Just check it, children. Minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to negative into negative is equal to positive. So, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So, the answer is 6. Do you remember that negative into negative is equal to positive. Positive into positive is equal to positive. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Positive into negative is equal to negative, which we learned in the equation chapter. Do you remember this? If you remember that, it will be very easy. Minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to negative into negative is equal to positive. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Is this clear, children? Now let's do this exercise. Second question I am going to do now. In each of the following equations, take x as the given numbers and compute the numbers y. The first sub question is y is equal to x square, x is equal to minus 5, comma x is equal to 5. We have to do both. So the first sub question, second one, first sub question is y is equal to x square, x is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to 5. First we are going to do x is equal to minus 5. If x is equal to minus 5, substitute the value of x is equal to minus 5 here. So what is this? Y is equal to x square. That means minus 5 square. That means y is equal to minus 5 square means minus 5 into minus 5. That is minus 5 into minus 5. What is 5 into 5? 25. You have already learned that negative into negative is equal to positive, right? So the answer is positive 25. Y is equal to 25. Is this clear? Then take if x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to, instead of x we have to write 5 square. Y is equal to 5 square means 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So in both the cases you will get 25 as the answer. Is this clear, children? Now let's do fourth question. Second and third question you do it as homework. Fourth question cube is coming, that's why I am going to do now. Fourth sub question, y is equal to x cube plus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So children, here we have to substitute x equal to minus 1 here. So minus 1 whole cube plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube means how many times we have to multiply minus 1? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 times we have to multiply, right? Then plus 1 is equal to, you learned that negative into negative is equal to positive, right? So negative into negative is equal to positive. Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1. Then one more multiplication is there. This is 1. Then into minus 1. Then this plus 1 is equal to 1 into minus 1 is equal to, again this is positive, this is negative. Negative into positive, negative. Negative 1 plus 1. So again this is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. For multiplication and division, another rule. For subtraction and addition, another rule. Okay. For multiplication and division, that is negative into negative, positive into positive, like that, those rules. Okay. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So children, here x is equal to minus 1, just substitute the value of minus 1 here. Minus 1 whole cube means 3 times we need to multiply minus 1. So negative into negative is equal to positive, then again one more negative, then again positive into negative is equal to negative. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is this clear, children? Then children, fifth question, y is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, x is equal to minus 1. Here also we have to substitute x equal to minus 1 everywhere. So, y is equal to x cube, x is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus x square minus 1 whole square plus x is equal to minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube means you have already learned in the previous question that it is minus 1, right? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 negative means minus. So, minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square, that is negative into negative is equal to positive, right? So, minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, here minus 1 plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here also 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, is equal to 0. This is the answer. Is this clear, children? If it is square, negative into negative is equal to positive. If it is cubed, that is 3 times, that is negative. Or you can do 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. That way also you can do. Is this clear, children? Children, take page number 195. This is the last topic of this chapter, negative numbers. The last topic is negative division. Take page number 196. Exercise is there. The first question, in the equation y is equal to 1 by x, take x as the numbers minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 5 and compute y. Children, in this exercise, addition and subtraction of fraction, mainly unlike fraction is there. You have already learned all this in previous classes. If you are thorough with these addition and subtraction of unlike fraction, this exercise will be very easy. Okay. So, before doing this exercise, you practice those addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay. Let us do the first question. Y is equal to 1 by x. Take x as the numbers minus 2 by 3. The first number is minus 2 by 3. X is equal to minus 2 by 3. We have to compute y. So, substitute the value of x is equal to minus 2 by 3 here. Y is equal to, what is the equation? 1 by x. So, 1 divided by x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. What is this 3 fraction? How can you do this, children? 1 by x, you can write this as 1 divided by x, right? Like that, here how can we write this? Y is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 by 3. Okay. So, how can you divide this fraction? You know that it is, take the reciprocal of this fraction and then multiply, right, which you learned in the previous classes. So, 1 into reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is 3 by minus 2 is equal to 1 into 3 is equal to 3 divided by minus 2. But we cannot write minus as denominator. So, we are taking this negative here, that is minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Whenever you get an improper fraction, it is desirable to convert into mixed number, right? But to avoid confusion, I am not doing that. If you want to write, you can write 3 divided by 2. How can you convert this into mixed number? quotient into remainder divided by divisor. So, is equal to 1 into r means 1 divided by 2. This is the answer, minus negative 1 by 2, or you can write 1.5, negative 1.5 also you can write. Actually this is desirable, but to avoid confusion I am not doing this. This is the answer. Okay. In higher grades you must convert this improper fraction into mixed number. Understood? In this, two more questions are there, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 5. Only one we have done now, right? This is only one, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Two more are there, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 5, and compute y. So, those two you do it as homework. Okay. Then children, second question. In the equation y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1, take x is equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 1 by 2 and compute y. So, here in the second question, y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. Take x equal to 2. So, if x is equal to minus 2, if x is equal to minus 2, substitute the value of minus 2 here and here. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, 1 divided by x means minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1, that is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 is equal to, if both the signs are same, you have to add and get that sign, right. So, minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, 1 minus 2. If the signs are different, you have to find the difference between these two signs and then get that biggest number sign, that is 1 divided by 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So, here children, 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1. These are unlike fraction addition. So, how to do this? 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1. Just cross multiply it. 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 into 1 equal to minus 3 divided by minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3, negative into negative positive is equal to minus 1 minus 3. That means, if the signs are same, you have to add and get that sign. So, add it, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. What is the sign here? Negative. So, minus 4 by 3. This is the answer. Children, in the same question, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 also there. If x is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1, right. Here we are going to do separately to avoid confusion. Okay. First we are going to do 1 by x minus 1, 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to, we can write this as 1 divided by x minus 1, right. So, here x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, substitute 1 divided by x, we can write minus 1 by 2 minus this 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 minus 1, this write this as fraction. So, cross multiply it, 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 2 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to, how to divide a fraction children? Take the reciprocal and then multiply is equal to 1 into 2 by minus 3. We cannot write negative denominator, right. So, we are taking into here, that is 1 into minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here only one part, 1 by x minus 1 only here. We need to find out 1 by x plus 1 also. Now, let us do 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by, what is x here? Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here we can make this as fraction and then cross multiply. Minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into 1 2 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. How can you divide a fraction? Take the reciprocal and multiply. 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. This is the answer. Now, children, we have to add this. What is 1 by x minus 1? 1 by x minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So, 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x minus 1 means minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 2. Again, unlike fraction, addition. Again cross multiply. 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2 6 divided by 3 into 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 by 3. This is also an improper fraction. So, children, in this mainly you have to practice unlike fraction, addition and subtraction, which you have already learned in the previous class. Okay, first practice that, then this will be very easy for you. Understood? Now, children, third question. In the equation z is equal to x by y minus y by x, take x as the numbers given below and calculate the number z. The first sub question is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to minus 5. What is the equation, children? Equation is equal to z is equal to x by y minus y by x. Here you just need to substitute the value of x and y in z. Okay. So, what is the equation? Z is equal to x by y. So, what is x here? 10 divided by y divided by minus 5 minus y is equal to minus 5 divided by x divided by 10 is equal to, what is 10 divided by minus 5? 2 times, here also 2 times, right. So, this you can write 2 divided by minus 1 minus here minus 1 divided by 2. Then you can cross multiply. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 minus 1 into minus 1 equal to plus 1 divided by minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by minus 2. We cannot write negative denominator. So, minus 3 by 2. Actually, how did you get this negative sign up? What is the logic behind this, children? 3 by minus 2 here. We have to make the denominator positive. So, we have to multiply with negative 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 3 divided by minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. This is the logic behind that. Okay. You have to multiply with -1 both sides. Okay. Why? To remove the negative sign of denominator. Understood? If you are dividing or multiplying one number, you have to do both numerator and denominator, otherwise the value will change. Is this clear, children? In this third question, 1, 2, 3, 4 more sub questions are there. Those 4 questions, do it as homework. Children, while doing these numericals, you have to concentrate very well, otherwise it will be very difficult to get the correct answer. Okay. So, this is the end of our today's class, that is negative numbers, and this is the end of this chapter also. So, we will meet you in the next class. Until then, bye. Take care.